arrive at a
We will
truly
now
historic and
witness the
symbolic
depositing of the
moment.
instrument of accession to the ASEAN Charter by His Excellency Bandito dos Santos Freitas, Minister of Foreign Affairs of the Democratic Republic of Timor-Leste, to the Secretary General of ASEAN, witnessed by His Excellency Datuk Seri Utama Haji Muhammad bin Haji Hassan, Minister of Foreign Affairs of Malaysia. Thank you very much, Excellencies. May I now invite His Excellency Secretary General of ASEAN to kindly return to his seat, while the Minister of Foreign Affairs of Malaysia and Timor-Leste are kindly requested to remain on stage. We shall now commence with the depositing of the instrument of accession to the Treaty on Southeast Asia Nuclear Weapon Free Zone SEANWFZ. May I invite His Excellency Sihasa Pong Ket-Tiao, Minister of Foreign Affairs of the Kingdom of Thailand, to the stage. We will now witness the depositing of the instrument of accession to the SEANWFZ Treaty by the Minister of Foreign Affairs of the Democratic Republic of Timor-Leste to the Minister of Foreign Affairs of the Kingdom of Thailand, witnessed by His Excellency Minister of Foreign Affairs of Malaysia. Thank you very much, Excellencies. May I now invite His Excellency Datuk Seri We are changing the title. Alright. Are we ready for a group photo session for this SEANWFZ Treaty? We're changing the title. Okay. Excellencies, once again, can we have a group photo session with the right title behind? Yeah. Media, are you ready? Okay. In 3, 2, 1. The document, can we have the document back? Once again, Excellencies. Wonderful. Thank you, Excellencies. Now, may I invite His Excellency Datuk Seri Utama Haji Muhammad bin Haji Hassan, Minister of Foreign Affairs of Malaysia, to deliver his remarks.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And very good morning or afternoon. Very good morning. Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is a historic moment that greets us today. I'm delighted to announce that the Timor-Leste has officially deposited its instruments of accession to the ASEAN Charter and the Treaty on the Southeast Asia Nuclear Weapon Free Zone. This effectively marks Timor-Leste's full admission as the 11th member of ASEAN and the expansion of ASEAN's scope to include each and every sovereign state in this home we share. On behalf of our Malaysia and on fellow members of state, I extend our warmest congratulations to the government and the people of Timor-Leste. As the chair of ASEAN, I'm honored to share this moment with all of you. Today, we celebrate with you a nation built on courage, perseverance, and unyielding hope as you join a family that has long awaited your full inclusion. Welcome to the ASEAN family and to our venerated charter. Welcome, Brother Bandito. The ASEAN Charter is more than just a foundational document. It is the heartbeat of our shared vision, a governance of trust, respect, and solidarity that has bound our diverse nations together in pursuit of peace and prosperity. By accepting the Charter, Timor-Leste has pledged to walk hand in hand with us, weaving the aspirations of its people into the fabric of our ever-evolving ASEAN community. Through the SEANWFZ Treaty, Timor-Leste has also joined us in a solemn commitment to ensure that Southeast Asia remains a sanctuary of peace, free from the shadow of nuclear weapons. It is a testament of enduring resolve to preserve our region as one of peace, stability, and shared security. These accessions reflect more than just institutional formality. They represent Timor-Leste's strong faith in ASEAN's ideals and a profound belief in our collective future, a future that is built on harmony, cooperation, and mutual respect. The journey to this has been long, from the struggles of its birth to the years of state building and the passionate pursuit of ASEAN membership. The story of Timor-Leste is one of remarkable tenacity. As we look ahead, we do so with optimism. Timor-Leste brings new energy, fresh perspectives, and a useful population ready to contribute. Your presence will enrich ASEAN's collective identity, not only in demography, but politically, culturally, and economically. ASEAN's strength has always been found in its diversity and its ability to transform that diversity into shared purpose. And I firmly believe that Timor-Leste's full participation will further deepen this regional cohesion. So today, we are not just welcoming a new member, we are reaffirming our belief in an ASEAN that is inclusive, resilient, and future-ready. One community united in peace, committed to progress, and grounded in the unbreakable bonds of kinship. May we continue to collaborate and prosper together, and may we face the future as one region ever stronger. Thank you.
Thank you, His Excellency Dato' Sri Utama, for the remarks.